Hi, my name is Cormac Molloy and this is my demonstration for the IoT second assignment. I'll show the BLE peripheral running on the Raspberry Pi Pico, the gateway scripts 6_1 and 6_2 running on Node.js, and the MQTT dashboard receiving live updates. This code runs on the Raspberry Pi Pico. It exposes a BLE service with characteristics for voltage, LED, button, RGB, step count, and goal status. It also implements a step counter using the BMI 160 accelerometer and triggers a flashing yellow celebration with sound when the step goal is reached. The device is now advertising and ready for the gateway to connect. This is script 6_1. It connects to the Pico over BLE, reads the LED and RGB values, subscribes to live notifications for button presses, step count changes, and goal status. Every update is immediately published to Hive MQ Cloud. As you can see, I'm subscribed to LED value Cormac, RGB value Cormac, step value Cormac, Cormac status, and goal value Cormac. I'll now run 6_1. So you can see the MAC address, the name of the Fitband, and you can see the button characteristics, RGB and LED, step, and the goal status. And as you can see here, step count is 0, RGB value is 0, and the LED value is 0, as you can see here, because nothing is on. I'll now press a button, and as you can see, the Fitband button has been pressed and the time elapsed since I have run it on the phony. And here in the terminal, button press, and it has been published to here. When I shake the Fitband, it shows incrementing steps each time. And then once I reach 10, it flashes yellow, victory noise, and the Cormac step goal has been reached. And you can see here, each step increase and my goal notification has been received. And then when I clicked Control-C, you can see that the gateway is now offline. This is script 6_2. It subscribes to the MQTT topic LED control Cormac, and whenever a message is received, it writes directly to the BLE characteristic on the Pico. Firstly, I will show myself turning the LED on. So I must go to the terminal, and here you can see we are connected. And now when I go on, currently my LED is off. When I type in on and publish, the LED is now on. When I type off, the LED is now off. You can see here when I turn the LED on, and you can see here when I turned the LED off. Next, I will then show the RGB working. So RGB, and I can set it to any of the three colors. So firstly, I will show red, publish. As you can see, we have red here, and setting RGB to red, green, and blue. Now I will do the same and show you green. Publish. And now for blue. Publish. Blue. Setting RGB to blue. Finally, I'll just turn the LED back on. Turn it back on here. And as you can see, it is on. And when I open up 6_1, shows that the value is my step goal value has been reached, the RGB value here, and the fact that my LED is on.